Have you ever wondered why there are so many scars on the moon? These scars are actually a story of destruction that was written millions of years ago. These are impact craters that were formed due to the collision of asteroids coming from space. But the surprising thing is that this did not happen only with the moon. Our Earth is also a target moving in space. Think about what will happen when a rock as big as Mount Everest hits the Earth at a speed of thousands of kilometers per hour. Cities are a small matter, entire regions will be destroyed, the seas will boil and the sky will turn black. In today's video, we will talk about these terrible scars on the Earth, namely impact craters. Welcome to Moon Facts TV. First, we head to South Africa, home to the world's oldest and largest crater, the Vredefort Crater. About 2 billion years ago, when life on Earth was only in the form of very small cells, a 15-kilometer-wide asteroid crashed into Earth. The explosion that occurred from this impact was millions of times more powerful than any man-made nuclear bomb. It is impossible to see this 300-kilometer-wide crater from Earth. You would have to go to space to see it. Today, over time, wind and rain have eroded its edges, but for scientists, it is still an open book that tells a lot about the history of the Earth. Let's go to Canada, where there is a crater called Sudbury. This story is a little different because the destruction here has enriched humans with wealth. About 1.5 billion years ago, a huge comet hit here. This impact melted the outer layer of the Earth and precious metals boiled up from the inside of the Earth. Today, a lot of the world's nickel and copper comes from this place. It is surprising that something that came to cause destruction has become a big part of the Canadian economy today. The people there say that we live on a space gift, but when it falls, the scene there will certainly be like hell, where there will be only fire and molten lava everywhere. But the most famous and terrifying story of all is from Mexico. This was the time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. They were large in size, powerful, and they must have thought that no one could wipe them out. But then an asteroid named Chicxulub came from space. This incident happened about 65 million years ago. When this asteroid hit the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, it changed the world forever. Scientists say that the impact sent up so much dust and debris that it plunged the entire Earth into darkness for years. Sunlight stopped reaching the Earth, plants died, and so did the animals that ate them. There were huge tsunamis in the oceans that destroyed large parts of the continent. This is the crater that we don't see today because it is half under the ocean and half under the land. They say that if this asteroid had fallen a little to the right or left, or had come a few minutes later, dinosaurs might still be alive today and humans wouldn't exist. I hope you liked this video from Moon Facts TV. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do so now so that you can be the first to see new informative videos.